We'll guide you through how to perform an Asana demonstration. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to asana.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. To start a demonstration, you'll want to create a new project. Click on the plus sign next to the Projects section in your sidebar. Choose Blank Project to begin from scratch or select a template that fits your needs. Name your project and select its visibility settings. Then click Create Project. Now, let's add some tasks. Click on Add Task and enter the task name. You can assign it to a team member by clicking the Assignee field and choosing someone from the list. Set due dates by clicking on the calendar icon next to the task name. To make your demonstration more dynamic, add subtasks by opening a task and clicking Add Subtask. Enter the subtask details and assign them if necessary. Next, use the sections to organize your tasks. Click on Add Section and give it a meaningful name. Drag and drop tasks into the relevant sections to keep everything neat and tidy. To add more depth to your demonstration, use the Timeline view. Click on Timeline from the project header to visualize your tasks on a timeline. You can adjust task durations by dragging the edges of the task bars. If you need to show dependencies, click and drag from the dot at the end of one task to the dot at the beginning of another. This creates a dependency line, helping to illustrate task order and reliance. Remember to use the comments feature to communicate within tasks. This is helpful for demonstrating how team collaboration works in Asana. Click on a task, then click the comment field to add notes or updates. Finally, when you're ready to present your demonstration, use the Present mode by clicking the three dots on the top right of your project view and selecting Present. This will give you a clean, distraction-free view of your project to share with your audience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.